From the channel that brought you Bull Penis Gate, How to Kill a Man with Marshmallow Dust,
Oh God. Oh God.
and allows you to escape from the ordinary 3 times per week, comes a brand new type of live stream, the Our Wyoming Life Weekly Roundup.
So we started live streaming, what, a year ago?
Yeah, about that. Maybe
with
a little
our
longer.
regular live stream type of show. And now things are changing just a little bit.
Mm-hmm. We're gonna add a bunch of fun new stuff, and we're gonna move into a weekly type format.
We're going to take what we used to do every 2 weeks for an hour, and we are going to condense that down to a half an hour every week.
It's been requested over and over again by our viewers, by our subscribers, that they love the live streams, but they want to see them happen more often. So we're doing this because you guys wanted it.
Anyway, we've started doing more interviews during our live streams with other YouTubers, and we're going to continue doing that on a weekly basis, as well as other folks that are prominent inside the agricultural industry.
How's it going, guys?
It's going good, man. How are you?
I am good.
Yes, thanks, guys.
Can you work the mouth? If you
Not yet. I'm a terrible ventriloquist as well.
How are you? We're good.
Good. Good to see you.
Also, musical guests.
I've seen so many faces, nothing compares to you.
Steamed, unbound, frozen.
Games. Now there's a follow-up question.
Is a pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable?
Oh, crap. I should have paid attention to the first part. Within 100 squirts.
Squirts of what?
See, this gets you thinking. What are the approximate number of squirts that go into each gallon of milk? Within 100 squirts.
About a gallon. Games.
And the old standbys will still be there, including mail call.
Yep. It says Our Wyoming Life, and there's a cow and a cat that's like doing the weather on a green screen.
Also, some new features. The Tiny Hands Challenge.
What the frick? I think there's something. Delicious honey.
Also, brand new sponsors for the show.
Yep.
Today's show being brought to you by kale. Yes, when searching for a repulsive vegetation to liven up an otherwise tasteless meal, more people choose kale than any other semi-edible vegetable. This announcement paid for by the National Association of Farmers, who want to see how many people we can convince that this gunk is actually food. The Armchair Rancher.
Hi gang, I'm back, the Armchair Rancher, wrenching through screen and keyboard, here to tell you what I think you should do, how to do it, but never how to pay for it. Here's the kicker, sometimes I get it right.
Can't wait to see the Armchair Rancher.
And of course, video questions, along with a whole bunch more new, fun, exciting, funny, different type of stuff that you may not have ever seen before. We are still, like I said, we're going to be live with viewer interaction. That's a huge part of the live streams, that we do take questions throughout the live streams. We're going to have a Q&A session after every single live stream. We're actually going to have a chance to sit down and talk and answer some questions directly. Also, what some people don't know is that the live streams, you can replay the live streams after we're done. We are calling it the Our Wyoming Life Weekly Roundup, and you can send questions to roundup@ourwyominglife.com and get your questions in. So we invite you to come and join us for something brand new on the ranch, something brand new to the channel, and something that I think the whole purpose of anything that we do is to bring people closer to agriculture. The reason we do all of this, and this will be a very entertaining way to do that. Don't you agree?
Yeah, I think so. I'm excited for something new, something challenging for us to create every single week, and I'm excited to see where it goes.
So catch us every Thursday from here on out, 7 p.m. Mountain Time, for the Our Wyoming Life Weekly Roundup. I can see your hands.
No, you can't.
Do it again.
It like pulls in my neck.
Hey gang, I'm back. The Armchair Rancher. Ranching to you, with you, or something. I don't know.
Do it again. Do it again.
I can't.
Give us some facial expression. Hold them up to your face. What did you just say?
Yeah.
Stupid.
No, it's fine.
Okay. And I got a big belt buckle. So that means I know what I'm talking about. Bigger the belt buckle, the more you know. It's gonna get bigger.
Right, is Home Alone?
Sneaky.
1 billion.